Hello, everyone. I didn't know if it captured that initial hello, but if it did, hello twice, I guess. So this one, 65-inch TV in Minnetonka, this is up the alley of our easiest installs. It's complex for a DIYer generally because they're just afraid of what they might hit, because it's a fireplace, but not for any professional. So you'll see she wanted the TV mounted as close to the soundbar as possible, and so I did that. And that way she wouldn't really have to do cord concealing. And so in her case, you can a little bit see the cords, but this way she was able to get the TV up off the floor. It was just sitting on its stand on the floor for I think like a month, she said. And this way just was able to get up. The cords looked just fine. No need to pay for that. And I was in and out. I've been to that apartment complex a bunch. That's for sure. Basically, any place in the Twin Cities I've been to at least a couple times. It's rare that I show up to a place and think I have never been in here, and that's generally because they're brand new. That's the only reason.